Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas and a happy new year. Today we're going to kickstart this channel by talking about the cryptocurrency Holo. Holo, as some of you all know, is one of my most favorite underrated cryptocurrencies out there. I'm just going to take you through some of the price action that's going on in Holo and where we see our price predictions for early mid 2023. So let's get straight into it. I just want to review parts of 2022. Holo, we have been in a major downward trend majority of the year. This was January last year. Since January 2022, we can see that Holo has been in a major decline. That's being that the FT exchange has crashed, Russia versus Ukraine, as well as COVID, inflation. There's been a lot of factors which has affected not just Holo but the whole crypto space. And having said that, Holo, we are actually now in a stage where the downward trend has actually come to a stop, and we can see that Holo has been sideways accumulating for quite some time. And normally when we sideways accumulate, that normally means, in my eyes, that it's time to accumulate our bags. We can see since last year, May the 12th, Holo has been in a few sideways channels, ranging between the both. We have, since the 10th of November 2022, dropped down into the bottom of our Fibonacci retracement and sitting on our very bottom supports. We have retested this bottom line on many occasions, but we have not breached. We have not had a candle close below that. We are coming to the end of this trend line, as you can see, for our Fibonacci retracement. And normally when we come to the end of our trend lines, we normally actually start to see reversals and big spikes to the upside. Not only that, we can see that our moving averages are gradually getting closer and closer. At the peak of Holo's decline, we can see that our moving averages are quite spread apart. It's spread quite far apart. And being that we are in a sideways channels, we are accumulating now. We can see our moving averages ranging closer and closer together to then do this thing which we called a golden cross, is where the 50-day moving averages average cross over the 200-day moving average. If we look at Holo's history, anytime you can look in the charts, when the red line is above the green, so when the 50-day is above the 200-day moving average, we are in a upward trend, guys, and we are coming to the point where we will see a crossover in our moving averages. And in terms of price predictions, we can look for Holo to at least get up to this sideways moving channel here, which we're looking roughly about the 0.0029 mark, and that is pretty much double in price where we're currently at. So 100% increase in price just from here to there. It's very small in the grand scheme of things. But our main focus is this 100-week moving average, which is at the 0.006 cent mark, which is pretty much 6 times our current price at the minute. So whatever you put in now, whatever you invest in now, by the time we get to this 100-week moving average, you would have 6 times your money. And if you look at Holo's history, throughout Holo's history, we have been ranging above this 100-week moving average. It was only April last year where we actually seen a dip below, and we haven't actually retested that. So I do believe this is going to be the year where we actually make that move above this 100-week moving average, so we can then start to take out these higher levels in our Fibonacci retracement. In my opinion, Holo is a very underrated coin, and this is one of the coins I am invested in. So if you like, guys, please leave a comment. If you like my content, please subscribe, because there's many coins like this. Thank you for watching.